Hola, buenos dias muchachos. I took Spanish in high school and I really only remember a couple things. I remember that, and the other thing I remember is ¿Puedo ir a tomar agua? And that is pretty much it. But I'm bringing all my Spanish skills to South America for the first time. I'm really excited to be visiting Chile. I'm going to be in Vina Del Mar February 1st and 2nd for the Quinta Hobby show there. So if you guys want to go as a contestant, as a visitor, however you want to go to there. I'm super excited to be visiting South America for the first time. Chile is going to be awesome. I really can't wait to go. So if you guys are in the area, if you're planning on going, I hope to see you all there. I'm going to be there as one of the judges for the contest. I'm also going to be having a panel there where you guys will I'll get to talk to you guys about some cool stuff, and I'll just be kind of hanging around if you want to be there at the event. If you have a chance, come up and say hello, and I'm really excited to just hang out with everyone and just kind of have a good time, share some cool gunpla. I know some scale modeling stuff as well there if you guys are interested. Now the other couple of guest judges are some pretty high profile modelers there as well, so it's gonna be a really cool event. I'm really excited, really happy that I was invited to be a guest there, so I'm really looking forward to that. And so I just wanted to make this really quick video to let you guys all know if you're in the area, if you're able to go, I hope to see you all there. And that is pretty much it. One more thing I guess I should let you guys know about the venue as well. The venue is going to be Hotel O'Higgins there in Vina Del Mar. But if you guys want more information, if you're able to go, once again, it's February 1st and 2nd of this year, so just in a couple short weeks from now. I'll put the links down in the video description below to all the information if you guys want to see more about that. It has more information about the exact times and exact schedule and everything. So definitely check out the information if you want to go, and yeah, again, just hope to see you guys all there. I can't wait to visit. And of course, for those of you who aren't able to go, I'll be taking plenty of video, and then once I'm back here at home, I'll make some videos to share the experience with you guys around the world as well. So we're really looking forward to it, and that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.